Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to fly an RC helicopter. This will be a 3-channel helicopter tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, I have the helicopter, which is a 3-channel helicopter, and the remote control for the helicopter. It's actually really easy to learn how to fly one of these. Now the remote control is off, so it's not going to be working with that right now, which is what I want in order to show you how it works. So you want to pair up the remote with the helicopter so that it's ready to fly. Essentially, you're going to have 3 channels, okay? So you have up and down is your 1 channel. This guides the helicopter higher or lower, okay? And you can hover it in the middle depending on how much power you give it. So higher or lower. That's your first channel. Up and down is higher or lower, okay? Then what you have is up and down on this one, which up will send the helicopter forward, down will bring it backward from the orientation that it's in, okay? So up sends it forward, down sends it backward, okay? Then you have right and left. This is your 3rd channel. So channel 1 is higher and lower with regards to its elevation, okay? Channel 2 is forward and backward, okay, depending on its orientation, forward and backward from wherever it's pointed. And then channel 3 is going to be turning it right or left. Okay, so right or left. And this you can kind of go in any direction like that. That's what makes it interesting to learn how to fly. So it's really easy to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the helicopter again, and I'll show you how to sort of go up and down, spin it right and left, and then how to go forward and backward, okay? So I'm going to have to start it up again. I think the battery timed out over here, so I'm going to turn it off, turn it back on again like this. Hopefully the battery didn't die. There we go, we're good to go. So I'm going to just pair it up. Let me bring it a little bit closer in the view of the camera right there. Okay, so I paired it now. We're good to go. So you can see when I move this up, it raises the helicopter up. I'm just going to get it away from that toy. Okay, and I bring it back down, and it brings it back down. I'm going to actually try and get behind the camera to give you a better view over here. So as you can see, here we go. That's a little bit better. If I go like this, it raises it up and down. Now I'm going to just get it away from there. So let me just bring it away from there. Okay. There we go. So we're good. We're back in the center. By bringing this joystick up, it raises it up, and then back down, brings it back down, okay? Now, if I wanted to turn it to the left of where the helicopter's facing, I would go up with this one to send power to the blades, to the rotors, and then I would go left. So you can see I'm turning it left. See? See that? If I go right, I turn it right. Okay? If I want to bring it forward, let's just bring it back into the camera's focus. I do apologize. There we go. If I want to go forward, I put power to the blades and I send this forward. Okay? So like that. You can see it went forward there. Let me go fix that. Give me 1 second here. And then if I wanted to send it backward, I would put power to the blades again and I would hold this down to send it backward. So check this out. I'm going to send power to the blades by pushing this one up, and then this one goes down to send it backward. So you can see, like I said, let me just bring it back into the camera's view over here. There we go. So if I wanted to send it backward, I would let it hover, and I would go backward. See? Backward, forward, backward, forward, right, forward, left, forward. And you can just practice like that. And then obviously you can go and send it higher up if you want. And I could probably do that for this video just to sort of show you a little bit of how it works, as you can see right here. It's just a matter of mastering it so that it's like driving, right? Whenever you look in a direction, your hands know what to do once you're an experienced driver. It's the same thing with this. So hopefully, I'm looking at the helicopter, so hopefully you can see what I'm doing with my hands there. But that's basically it. That is how to fly an RC helicopter. Very simple 3-channel helicopter tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.